Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix Gmail notifications not working. Okay, so if you're not getting notifications, what you can do is swipe down from the left hand side of your screen, or sorry, the right hand side of your screen, and you want to scroll down a little bit more on the control center, and you want to make sure that do not disturb is actually not on. So if do not disturb is on, you want to go ahead and switch off do not disturb. Okay, and then the second thing you want to do is go into Gmail. Okay, then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you want to go all the way to the bottom and go to settings. Choose the account that you are working with, and then you want to go to notifications, and you want to make sure turn on notifications for Gmail. Okay, and make sure that is on. You can go to the settings and enable your notifications if they're disabled. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.